Are you a student or a working professional who is preparing for any professional examination, whether national or international, like a CA, ACCA, CFA, or any exam, and is facing problems or difficulties in dealing with the stress situation linked to the exam, then this video is for you. जब भी हम लाइफ में कोई भी हमारी सिचुएशन होती है जहाँ पे हमको परफॉर्म करना होता है या जहाँ पे हमारा एक गोल सेट है, बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है हाउ डू वी सी आवरसेल्व्स and how do we prepare ourselves for that situation. So to be honest, by my personal experience, what is important? आपका physical well-being, आपका mental well-being, emotionally आप कैसे drawn हो वो situation के लिए, all of these things is going to define and determine how you're going to be able to handle that situation. And in my experience of over a decade and coaching thousands of students and mentoring them, I've realized that all of us face this situation at some point in time, and it is very important that we know what is the right thing to do in such situations. So today, I'm going to share with you my secret formula of how to deal with stress in an examination environment. So the formula that we're going to be talking about is the PCP formula, which is nothing but your preparation, confidence and performance. For laser focused performance, what is important is a solid preparation. Now when we are talking about preparation, my friends, क्या important है? आपके पास एक plan होना चाहिए, आपके पास best focus resources होने चाहिए. But most importantly, what is important is that you have the right mentor and a guide who helps you to get through that preparation. So ensure that your coach, your tutor, whomsoever you are getting yourself coached and trained with, that person is there to help you determine and draw realistic expectations from your preparation, and that person itself is going to help you to prepare a preparation plan. Now once you have the plan in place, it's about execution, right? At any given point in time, your situations are going to be different. You may be a student, you may be a working professional, you may not have enough time in hand during the weekdays, but you may have enough time during the weekends. Depending upon your situation, what is important is you make your preparation plan and you stick to that. Now we all know what resources are required, how much you're supposed to do, how much not you're supposed to do. So that is going to ensure that your preparation is fully focused. Now once your preparation is in place, subconsciously without you realizing, आपका confidence level automatically up होने वाला है. Now here I'm not talking about overconfidence, but I'm just talking about the right positive confidence for you to do the exam. The second key for you to build up that confidence is going to be for you to put yourself in that exam situation well in advance. जब भी आप कोई भी एग्ज़ाम में जाते हो, आपको एक एंजाइटी होता है कि वो एग्ज़ाम के 2 घंटे 3 घंटे कैसे जाएंगे. बट इफ़ यू आर पुटिंग योर सेल्फ इन दैट सिचुएशन अ लिटिल इन एडवांस, देन यू आर नॉट लेफ्ट विद एनी सरप्राइजेस. सो एंश्योर आप इनफ मॉक्स करके जाओ ताकि आपको पता हो कि आपका एग्ज़ाम कैसे आने वाला है, एंड दैट विल एंश्योर दैट यू आर नॉट ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट और यू आर नॉट अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट एट द same time. And the last leg of ensuring that you have a laser focused attempt to your exam is going to be your performance. Now very clearly, all of us get usually defocused by the result of our performance. Now क्या वो चीज़ हमारे कंट्रोल में है? मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं थी मेरे CA फाइनल एग्ज़ाम के टाइम में, तो आई एम श्योर आपके टाइम पे भी नहीं होगी. But what is in your control is your performance and giving your best. So if you have given your best and if there is nothing else that you could have actually done more than what you have done, then you don't have to worry about your results. But you need to ensure that your performance in those 2 hours or 3 hours of your exam is foolproof, and rest you leave it to the universe. So this is my secret formula during my CA final exam, which helped me to clear my CA in the first attempt, and I'm sure and I hope that this is of use to you also. In the upcoming video, I'll be also sharing with you a couple of don'ts which will help you to lead a stress-free examination environment and just help you to achieve your goal and success at the earliest. Thank you.